Hello friends, in this problem you have to find all integers x, y, z such that x square plus y square plus z square is equals to 2 times yz plus 1, and another condition is x plus y plus z is equals to 4018. So you have been given two equations, but there are three unknowns. How will you solve them? You have to use the extra condition that is given, that is x, y, z are integers. So let us try to solve this problem. This is, let's call this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So the equation 1 is you have x square plus y square plus z square, and this is equals to 2 times yz plus 1. So I can rewrite this is x square plus y square plus z square, and this is 2 by z plus 2. Now let us take 2 by z to the left hand side. So this becomes x square plus y square plus z square minus 2 by z, this is equals to 2. Now let us see this term, that is y square plus z square minus 2 by z. This term is nothing but y minus z whole square. So I can write this is x square plus y minus z whole square, this is equals to 2. Now you see this is a square, so this has to be greater than equal to 0. This is also a square, this is also greater than equal to 0. And question it is given that x, y, z are integers. This means x square will be integer and y minus z square will also be integer. So these two quantity, that is this quantity is a integer and this quantity is also an integer, and sum of those two integers are 2. So we have very limited number of possibility. The first possibility is one number can be 0 and another number can be 2. But this is not possible because there is no integer whose square is 2. So basically 2 is a square of a square root 2. So square root 2, a square is equals to 2. But a square root 2 is not an integer. So this is not an integer. So this means I can say this possibility is ruled out. So now I have only one possibility. This is equals to 1 and this is also equals to 1. 2 0 is also not possible. One possibility you can think of 2 0, but this is also not possible due to the same reason. So this is the only possibility. Now let us this case, when you have x square is equals to 1 and then y minus z square is also equals to 1. This means x is equals to plus minus 1 and y minus z is also equals to plus minus 1. And from equation 2 we have x plus y plus z, this is equals to 4018. This means I can write y plus z is equals to 4018 minus x. Now see what are the different possibility we have for x, for y minus z, and then for y plus z, which is equals to 4018 minus x, then corresponding what is the value of y and what is the value of z. So let us make a table and then things will be more clear. So this is so there are four possibility. X can be plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, and similarly y minus z can be 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1. So there are four possibility, since x is equals to plus minus 1 and y minus z is equals to plus minus 1. So there will be four combinations that are possible. So I have written those combination, and for each combination we can calculate by plus z, which is 4018 minus x. So in this case we will have 4018 minus x, and x is 1. So 4018 minus x, this is 4017, and similarly this will be 4018, and this is plus 1. So this is 19, this is 4017, and this will be 4019. Now I have two equations. The first case, let us consider two equations are, the first equation is y minus z is equals to 1, and the second equation is y plus z, this is equals to 4017. So I can solve these two equations. So y minus z is equals to 1 and y plus z is equals to 4017. So let us add these two equations. So if you add, z will cancel and you will have 2y is equals to 4018. This means y is equals to 2009, and z will be from this equation, that is y minus z is equals to 1, z will be y minus 1. So this is 2009 minus 1, this is 2008. So now I know the value of y and z. In this case y is 2009 and z is 2008. Now similarly you can solve for all the cases, because in each case you know y minus z and you know y plus z. So each case you can basically form an equation, two equations, and you can solve those two equations. So if you solve this, it will come 2010, and this is 2009, and this case you will have 2008, and this is 2009, and in this case you will have 2009 and 2010. So what are the combinations of x, y, z is possible? So the solution set x, y, z, basically 4 solutions are possible. The first is x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2009, and z is equals to 2008. And the second solution is minus 1, 1, 2010, and then 2009. The third solution is 1 minus 1, 2008, and 2009. And the fourth solution is minus 1, 2009, and 2010. So there are 4 solutions that is possible for this case, and you can verify if you want from the original equations. So I hope this video was useful for you, and if you like these videos, please share with your friends, like on my channel, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.